very important time of the year in terms of thinking of gender-based violence, violence against women. We have the HIV/AIDS Day. It comes up to the Human Rights Day on December 10th. This is a very important period for the United Nations. All of you are representing this.
We're here this morning in Nakura, effectively with a lot of events being held all over the world on HIV/AIDS. It remains a really serious problem, and we need to show our support for the 78 million people, and just to dwell on that figure for a moment, 78 million people who are living with HIV.
I would like to also thank the collaboration that we have now between the gender unit and the HIV/AIDS unit. It's very good that you're doing this together, you're working together.